Dear students, today we are going to start lecture number 2 of chapter 1 Fundamentals of Chemistry. In this lecture, we will study about branches of chemistry. It is a fact that we live in the world of chemicals. We all depend upon different living organisms which require chemicals such as water, oxygen, or carbon dioxide for their survival. Today, chemistry has a wide scope in all aspects of life and is serving the humanity day and night. It is very difficult to study such a wide subject under one umbrella of chemistry, so chemistry is subdivided into number of branches. There are 8 branches in our syllabus which will cover physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, environmental chemistry, and the last one is analytical chemistry. Today we will focus only on physical chemistry. So let's get started. The definition of physical chemistry is that the relationship between the composition and physical properties of matter. We studied lot about physical properties of matter in our last lecture. Today we will further proceed this. Let's move on to explanation. I have compared different solvents, their composition and the physical properties. If we compare water and vinegar, the color of both the solvents are colorless. So we cannot judge a particular solvent just on the basis of its color, because as you know, vinegar, which is commonly known as sirka, is also colorless. We have to study other physical properties such as odor. The odor of water is odorless. There is no smell of water. However, vinegar or sirka has pinching smell. If we talk about taste, water, yes, I'm talking about pure water. Pure water is tasteless, whereas vinegar is sour in taste, which means तुर्च तुर्च टेस्ट होता है. जैसे ही ज़बान पे लगता है इसका टेस्ट जो है वो तुर्च सा होता है. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. The purity of any substance depend upon its melting and boiling point. Water has melting point of 0, whereas vinegar have melting point 16.6 Celsius. So both the solvents are different although they are of same color. Boiling point Boiling point of water is 100 Celsius and that of vinegar is 117.9 Celsius. Now moving on to another solvent, which is oil. The color usually, as we look in our kitchen, the cooking oil, the color of oil is pale yellow. The smell of oil depend upon oil, such as almond oil. The odor and taste of almond is like almond. Melting and boiling point also depend on which oil you are talking about. Last example which I have given is a mixture of water and Jameshiri. Now I am going to compare solution of water in Jameshiri with pure water. The color of that solution is pink. The mixture color is pink. The smell of that solution is rose-like. Taste is sweet and melting and boiling point is different from that of pure water. So we can say that the composition of water plus Jameshiri is surely different from that of water. Now let's move on to explanation. In physical chemistry, we also talk about structure of atom. What is the structure of atom? Initially, scientists were not aware about the structure of atom. Initially, they said that electron revolve around the nucleus and finally it fall into the nucleus. With advent of knowledge, they come to know that no, atom is planar, electron continuously revolve around nucleus, and with further knowledge they came to know that atom is not one dimensional, actually it is three dimensional in nature. So we talk about structure of atom, where what is of what atom is composed of. Atom is composed of electron, proton, neutron. Proton and neutron reside in the nucleus, which is the inner side, and the electron revolve around that nucleus in three dimensional. Let's move further. We also study about how molecules formed in physical chemistry. Now, as we look on formation, we in previous lecture we talk about water. Here we have two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. They mutually share their electrons and form molecule of water in this angular or bent way. Behavior of gases, liquids, and solids are also studied in physical chemistry. First one is gases. If we talk about the behavior of these three states of matter, gases can flow easily. However, liquids can also flow easily. Solids do not flow. They expand easily. ये फैलते हैं easily. Again, coming back to the gases can be compressed. आप इसको प्रेशर लगा के इसको कंप्रेस्ड कर सकते हैं, वेयर एज लिक्विड डू नॉट कंप्रेस. आप लिक्विड को, पानी को किसी में चीज़ में डालें, आप उसको कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. देयर इज़ अ सर्टन वॉल्यूम विच इट हैव टू अटेन. सॉलिड डू नॉट कंप्रेस ईजीली. आप सॉलिड्स को कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते आसानी से. कमिंग बैक टू गैसेस, टेक द शेप ऑफ कंटेनर. In whichever container you keep gases, they keep that shape. Liquids, they also take the shape of container, whereas solid hold their own shape. जो भी उनकी शक्ल होती है वो उसी को ही मेंटेन रखते हैं. We also studied about effect of temperature, how temperature affect in physical chemistry. If you heat solid, for example ice, if you heat solid, then it changes into liquid, and on further heating the liquid changes into gas. So we talk about effect of temperature in physical chemistry. So at the end we will summarize what we have studied in physical chemistry. We studied in physical chemistry the relationship, yes, the relationship between composition and physical properties. We studied that if composition changes, then its physical properties will also change, along with will also change. And what we explain about it: first, properties such as structure of atom, formation of molecule, behavior of gases, liquids and solids, and study of effect of temperature on matter. So students, hope you understand about physical chemistry. In the next lecture we will talk about organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So stay tuned.